They are the future and the present. Time to rock and roll, guys. First of all, welcome to the India Today Conclave Mumbai 2019. Amazing success stories, both of you. Prajakta, I'm going to start with you first.
Thank you. First of all, hi, everybody. And the way I look at it, I feel like it's going to be a very tough audience. So we're going to keep our lame jokes to ourselves.
What are you talking about? It's not a tough audience. Give them a chance.
I just feel like we were just talking about, we were like, how do we follow up with that? All the virality we know about is the YouTube trending page. So we were like, that's the most I can speak. But thank you so much for having us.
It felt like we were at school.
How did this all begin for you? You know, you've become entrepreneurs at such a young age. How did it all begin for you?
I think the best part about that was that we didn't start ऐसे कि चलो entrepreneur बनना है. It always started. I was actually a failing radio jockey. I always wanted to be a radio jockey, and I was so confident about it. I was like, I can't wait to become a radio jockey. I'm going to be the best one. And I got my own show. And luckily, in time, I realized I was like, wow, I suck. That is a horrible show. I don't know why anyone would listen to it. And in time, my boss was like, okay, you go. So growing up, like I was in the 6th grade, I guess, when I decided that I want to be a radio jockey. So I was that geek, you know, who knew exactly what she has to do, when she has to do it. I had everything planned. For me, so for someone like me who knew exactly what she wanted to do, when that didn't work out, I was like, okay, now this is a situation. It was luckily when YouTube came my way. I was going about my business in the radio station when Sudeep, who's from One Digital Entertainment, came up to me. He's like, hey, you know what, you're fun. You should start making YouTube videos. And I'm like, sure. I was like, bro, they don't pay me here already, so don't tell me more ways of not making money.
Yeah.
So then they were like, no, just come, meet, let's see what happens. And that's literally how it started. Like, the one thing I'd planned for wasn't working, so I was like, okay, great, now what? So that's how YouTube started, and thank God it did.
And how much time did it take for you to be the social media influencer that you are now?
Oh, dear Lord. I started in Feb 2015, so that's more than 4 years ago. But it's been a great run.
Amazing. Your story, sir. I mean, you are very aggressive. Your style, I love it. How you rose. Talk to me about your story.
Okay, so that aggression, right, that comes from my school. So जितनी भी मेरी frustration थी पूरी life की, मेरे school के अंदर जितना भी सब कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ, वो सारा मैंने अपना content की तरफ लगा दिया. So I've been doing YouTube since I think 2008, और उस time I think I was like 10 or 12 years old, max to max, and तब से I've been doing this और अलग-अलग content explore करते from you know making gaming videos to making, I mean, imitating Sunny Deol, and then you know doing the roasting videos. And it took me around 12 to 13 years to reach where I am, but it feels so good and it's just amazing.
It is a space also that you can make your own and, you know, your own identity. Talk to me about this space. It's TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, lot of avenues there.
Yeah, well, it's spreading out, and nobody saw this coming if you look at it. Like, I remember when we used to do these panels like 4 years ago, they were like, where do you see YouTube going? And we would have these like really tiny answers. Like, I remember I was like, meko life mein 30,000 subscribers chahiye. Like, that's all I want, you know? And then
You now have more than 4 million.
I do.
Yeah.
And then now, thanks to the Geo revolution, the whole madness that happened 2 years ago, it's crazy to say where it's going to go maybe like 4 months from now. You never know. So it's very hard to map. I'm just very happy that it is spreading into more avenues and it is reaching out to more people. And I feel like on the internet, the best thing is that all of us do such different content, and all of us have our own audience. All of us have made sort of this little corner for all the creators on the platform, which is why the more the merrier, I think.
Let's get a glimpse of the YouTube Carrie Minati and Prajakta Goli. If you were to convince her in your own style
To do what?
be a social media influencer,
To be a social media influencer.
what advice would you give? She's just starting off.
You know, but before we start that, my characters come from a lot of wigs that I wear.
Yeah.
See? That's me, guys. Attractive.
Prajakta, don't worry, I'll give you my mustache.
I don't have a mustache, but I don't know. Okay.
Okay, so Prajakta, I'll give you an advice.
Okay,
Sorry.
I'll play this character called Sonia.
Sonia.
Yeah, so Sonia is a beauty blogger parody, okay? So she's very cheap, but she thinks she's the bomb. So.
Okay. तो सोनिया तुमको क्या करना है ना?
First of all, it's Sanya,
आई एम सॉरी, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए। सोनिया,
peasants.
सोनिया, क्या आपको इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है?
You know, honestly, I feel like he cannot even speak. It's Instagram. It's influencer.
मैडम, हम आपसे बस यही कहना चाह रहे
Can't
हैं
hold on
कि
to this so much long.
नहीं रुको मैडम,
अच्छा।
हम आपसे बस यही कहना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है तो ऐसे बिल्कुल चमकदार फोटोज डालनी पड़ेगी, अपनी हैशटैग डालने पड़ेंगे बढ़िया बढ़िया वाले, जब तक कुछ हो नहीं जाता। उसके बाद तुम्हारी मर्जी है, तुम्हें डालने नहीं डालने, बाकी तब तक करना पड़ेगा, रेगुलर स्टोरीज डालनी पड़ेगी।
अब यही बात आप मेरे से हिंदी में बोलेंगे?
हम कहना चाह रहे हैं
Oh boy, I swear guys, we're funnier on YouTube. Like and subscribe.
yeah.
No, so talk to me about how many characters do you do? I can see, the mustache.
So that's
and the
my
mother.
mom. This is me. That's Carrie.
That's me.
But I do my mom's character, dad, my brother, and then there's Sonia.
Which is your favorite one to do and why?
My brother, this one.
Your brother,
Yeah.
why?
Because all the other characters that I do, like my mom's character and my dad's character, are 100% based on them. They are exactly like that. There's no sort of overacting happening there. I come from a mad family. But Montu, that's my brother's character, I don't have a sibling. I'm the only child, which is why him I have made from scratch. Like he's this little Lego brother that I've built bit by bit, which is why I like playing him the most.
And you? What is the inspiration for your character? Who did you observe?
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. So, this character that I have, that is me, but just aggressive version of me. That is it. But another character that I like very much is the character called Tau. I don't know if you guys have heard it, but he's this old guy from the village, and he sounds something like, "अरे बेटे, ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम? ऐसे कहाँ जा रहे हो? हम तुम्हें बता रहे हैं, ये इंडिया टुडे पे तुम आए हो तो कुछ अच्छाई करके जाना, ऐसे वैसे मत जाना." So I really like this character.
Right.
I mean, I'm blessed with it, and I don't know what to say about it.
Okay, and as popularity grew, you start getting works, start getting endorsement deals. How do you handle the business side of it? Obviously you're both creative people, but as business starts to flow?
I think for me, what has just worked 100% is that I've got and I'm very proud to say that I've got like a very, very strong, efficient team that sort of feels for the channel, understands the ethic, understands the whole idea of the channel, the content, sometimes much more than I do. And I feel like that's it. मेरे बस की होती तो I would still be making videos in my room because हमारा तो उतना ही दिमाग चलता है कि I'll think about my next video. But I think 100% credit for that goes to my team.
Kerry, for you, I know that your associations are in lakhs. They get paid like for lakhs and lakhs for one YouTube video.
How do you know this?
I know.
You know?
Yeah, there's a rate card available in the market.
Okay.
Where can we
Okay.
see this?
Okay.
Okay, but still. the business.
So the brand side of things for me, in the starting it was a bit difficult for me, but time के साथ I think मैंने catch up कर लिया है, and brands के साथ simple बस यही फंडा होना चाहिए तुम्हारा कि तुम्हें उन्हें वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करनी है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फील कि वो ब्रांड तुम्हारे लिए सही है कि नहीं. अगर तुम उस ब्रांड में बिलीव करते हो नहीं, कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल एक हेडफोन्स का ब्रांड है एंड यू यूज़ दोज हेडफोन्स, अगर तुम्हें अच्छे लगे देन ओनली उसको प्रमोट करो. अगर अच्छे नहीं लग रहे देन इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट स्टिल डोंट गो आफ्टर द मनी, गो आफ्टर द प्रोडक्ट. जो वो लोग तो बेचना चाह रहे उसको समझो एंड देन गिव दैट ब्रांड दैट वैल्यू.
What kind of comedy do you like, which you were inspired by growing up? That you
I like
followed?
dark comedy.
Dark comedy.
I like dark comedy.
Which ones? Any particular example?
I mean, I'll give you an example. There's this show called BoJack Horseman on Netflix.
BoJack Horseman,
and
yeah.
there's another
The
show
animated
called,
series.
Yeah, another show called Rick and Morty, which is also animated.
Rick and Morty, yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I feel like my standard for humor is like really low.
Okay.
It's almost like I don't have a standard. Like I laugh at anything, and I laugh like It's the funniest thing I've heard. Like, I always go out for movies, or if you're watching shows with friends, and they're like, and I'm like, it's funny, isn't it funny? So I feel like I can watch anything.
Right, and how do you look at the community now of social media influencers? There's a very vibrant community. There's Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchalani, lots of these people. Then there are stand-up comedians. How do you look at this community that's forming? And I see a lot of Bollywood stars now interacting with you, pairing up with you for promotions, for other videos, for standout videos. How do you think this sort of semi-industry is growing?
Okay, so in this community, almost सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, and everybody is together. किसी में कोई ऐसी, I think, no fights इतनी खास होती नहीं है कुछ, right? So everybody is together. सब एक दूसरे से बहुत अच्छे से मिलते हैं और एक दूसरे से मैं तो कहता हूँ प्यार भी बहुत करते हैं. I mean on a creator level. And तब से ये I mean since Jio came, ये community बस बढ़ती जा रही है. अलग अलग content creators आ रहे हैं from I think all over the world. और स्पेशली इंडिया में तो इंडिया में इतनी ज़ोर से ये बूम आया है जिसकी वजह से जो क्रिएटर्स अब आ रहे हैं जो पहले उन पे मौका नहीं था, अब उन पे वो मौका है. सो आई थिंक अभी जो कम्युनिटी की स्टेट है अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है. अभी ये और भी फटेगी, और भी तरह के नए नए क्रिएटर्स आएंगे और बस दुनिया है. आई थिंक इंडिया बहुत बहुत आगे जाने वाला है.
But it is. India is the biggest market that they have on YouTube in the world right now, which is a massive hoarding that screams that, yay, okay, great, we are on the map. But like he said, it's super cordial सब में, क्योंकि यार सब समझते भी हैं that everyone's gone through that process of the first 100 subscribers, then the 1,000, then the 10,000, then the 100,000. So I feel like everyone gets the struggle and there's a lot of mutual respect.
And once you are in the millions, how do you sustain yourself? You know, the comedy graph doesn't go down. What inspires you and makes you move on?
I feel like the graph doesn't change much. It keeps going up and down and then up and down because that's just the way of content. Especially in a country like India, you can't ever judge content because अलग-अलग जगहों पे अलग-अलग चीज़ें चलती हैं, अलग-अलग topics viral होते हैं, अलग-अलग तरह से content पसंद किया जाता है. So there is a huge chunk of Carrie's audience that will just be like, what is Prajakta doing? And there'll be a huge chunk of my audience who's just like, Carrie, what are you doing? Like, it's crazy to sort of judge कि okay ये वाला चल जाएगा, which is why that never changes. It's always like I put out 3 videos in a week, so it's always a week struggle whether I'm at like a 10,000 subscriber mark or now a 4.3 million subscriber mark. So that doesn't really change. I feel like the only thing that changes is you cater to your audience. You try to open your content up to as many people as you can. I think there's that.
Exactly on this point, you know, how do you assess your audience? Urban, rural, gender? How do you get to know?
So there's not like a formula or not a proper web page you can see all of this, but from like the comments and the people that have interacted, I mean it's a mix of both the worlds. It's urban and rural both, and I mean it's just that कि rural और urban उसमें इतना फर्क है नहीं, अब इतना रहा नहीं है. सबके पास इंटरनेट है. एक बंदा जो BMW चला रहा है वर्सेस एक बंदा जो रिक्शा चला रहा है, दोनों के पास फ़ोन है, दोनों के पास इंटरनेट है, दोनों YouTube खोल सकते हैं. सो इतना डिफरेंस रहा पहले था, पहले अर्बन में ज़्यादा था, बट अब रूरल और अर्बन दोनों ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल हो गया है.
Right, and but yeah, you would
also I feel like YouTube as a platform sort of helps you understand a lot of those parameters where आपको literally city by city breakdown मिल जाता है कि अच्छा कहाँ पे आपका content consume हो रहा है, what age groups are watching you, how much time are they watching you for. There's a graph that tells you कि अच्छा your content is problematic at 30 seconds क्योंकि 30 seconds के बाद audience drop हो रही है. So fix that, use the 30-second mark. I think there's a lot of help that comes from the app, but otherwise like Carrie said, YouTube or the internet as a platform is so interactive. आपकी audience आपके साथ बहुत honest होती है. That's the best thing. You know, they're very honest, they're not hiding back anything. They'll tell you that if your video sucks, then oh my god, that's such a sucky video, Prajakta, do better. That always comes your way, which is a great way of judging. I think comments are the #1 parameter of knowing exactly how your content's doing.
And leading on from the comments, you know, everything is under a microscope nowadays with social media. Of course, you're social media kings and queens. But then, what is the message over there? Like, how do you not offend anybody with your humor? How do you want to put a message in your comedy. How do you finally finalize content that way, you know, in your sketches?
I think I'll take this. I don't see any problem at your side. So for me, एक line draw करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Yes, I use those cuss words and उसकी वजह से कभी कभार दिक्कत भी होती है. But still I feel like कि एक line draw करना, जहाँ पर एक line बना लेना कि इससे आगे मेरे को नहीं जाना है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि अगर तुम कुछ भी करोगे तब तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. यू हैव टू फॉलो सम रूल्स, फॉलो सम गाइडलाइंस जो यूट्यूब ने बनाई है, वरना तुम्हारी वीडियो डीमोनेटाइज हो जाएगी एंड इट वोंट परफॉर्म वेल, चैनल पे स्ट्राइक आ जाएगा, बहुत कुछ होता है. सो एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेरे लिए लाइन ड्रॉ हो जाती है कि मैं कुछ पर्टिकुलर जोक्स हैं, कुछ पर्टिकुलर जैसे आई मीन ऑन रेस, जेंडर एंड इन चीज़ों पे मैं जोक्स नहीं मारूंगा कभी भी, बिकॉज मेरे को नहीं पता कौन ऑफेंड हो जाए एंड आई डोंट वांट टू टेक दैट रिस्क. तो वो मेरी लाइन है, वहाँ पर मैं ड्रॉ करता हूँ.
But isn't there the no-go zone doesn't exist for comedy? That's the whole point of comedy, isn't it? And especially for something like YouTube.
I mean, it's still, I mean, I live in India, right? It's हमारा जो culture है, right? It's very different from the people that live in Western culture, right? So उसकी वजह से I think ये gap है जो भी उसको अभी टाइम है, इन जोक्स को अभी टाइम है, इनको देना चाहिए हमें. जब ये जोक्स ओके हो जाएंगे, आई डोंट नो कब होंगे, बट जब भी होंगे देन लेट्स सी.
आप सरकार बदलने का वेट कर रहे हैं क्या? नहीं.
हाँ,
नहीं, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है आपको?
No, I
No,
don't
there's
have-
no problem.
No, there is no problem. There is no problem. I'm just waiting कि मतलब still मतलब इंडिया का जो कल्चर है वो उन चीज़ों में भी एडजस्ट करे.
Okay, and Prajakta for you?
No, I feel like कि एक तो होता है कि what your audience can take and cannot take. एक वो भी होता है कि what you as a creator can do or like doing and do not like doing. हर creator की अपनी sensibility होती है. Like for me personally, I love it when my audience comes up to me and tells me that, listen, Prajakta, you are our dinner time conversation, yeah. Like my dadi loves you. I remember one of my first meet and greets that happened at Comic Hyderabad. There was this grandmom who bought tickets for her son and her grandson, and she came. She's like, I bought the tickets for them because I wanted to come and meet you. So I was like, what? So I feel like little things like that just open your eyes about a lot about how your content is perceived. I've always said this, and each creator to his own. I mean, everyone knows their audience, everyone knows what content works. But I've always said this, I was like, if you're watching my videos and someone walks into the room, you're not going to have to wear earphones. That is my line. Like, I want to make sure that, because listen, I have a very dirty mind. There are things that I want to say in my videos. I wish I could, but then I'm like, you know, I don't want to make a 13-year-old viewer who's sitting with her parents over dinner watching it. So I feel like it's just a very, very customized sort of mind setting that every creator has.
Don't worry, वो मैं cover कर रहा हूँ.
They'll watch Carrie's videos with headphones.
Finally, guys, because you're so successful at it, the young people who just want to start off, you know, with YouTube, want to make this, it's a serious profession now, want to take it seriously. Your advice, starting with you, Carrie.
Okay, so YouTube as a platform, I think, is very inconsistent. मतलब you can't rely on just ad revenue on YouTube. You have to collaborate with brands. You have to have your Instagram game, Twitter game, Snapchat, and all these platforms. जितने platforms तुम use कर सकते हो. Upload your content on every platform possible. और YouTube में I think बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहली mistake जो करते हैं, वो पैसों के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. उन्हें दिखता है कि ये यूट्यूबर्स है, इतनी बढ़िया लाइफस्टाइल जी रहे हैं, या एक सब्सक्राइबर पे $1 जो कि पता नहीं किस मिथ बनाई है. इट्स कंप्लीटली, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. ओके, सो
Carrie does not have $5 million right now.
No, I don't have. I wish I did, but I don't have.
Me neither.
But I mean, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वो लोग देखते हैं इन यूट्यूबर्स की लाइफस्टाइल की, ये लोग कैसे जी रहे हैं, तो उससे वो इन्फ्लुएंस होकर क्या देखते हैं, हाँ इस फील्ड में बहुत पैसा है. वो क्रिएटिविटी साइड नहीं देखते, वो पैसे वाली साइड देखते हैं. तो वो सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक है. तुम्हें क्रिएटिविटी के लिए काम करना है. यूट्यूब इज़ ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिविटी. अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ टैलेंट है और तुम दिखाना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ उसके ऊपर कंटेंट बनाओ, और उस पर काम करते करते अपनी तुम्हारी एक नीश बन जाएगी. और जैसे ही तुम्हारे पास अपनी एक नीश बन जाएगी, तुम्हारे पास एक मार्केट में जगह होगी जो तुमने घेर ली है, और वो सिर्फ तुम्हारी है और लोग तुम्हें उसी के लिए ही देखते हैं. तो वो नीश बनानी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. जब नीश बन जाएगी उसके बाद तुम सॉर्टेड हो यार, फिर तो करो तुम्हें जो करना है.
Prajakta, very quickly.
I think social media, the internet overall, right now is such a content-driven platform that the only thing that's ever going to work on the platform is content. No amounts of expensive shooting gear or sales teams or marketing teams or hoardings is ever going to get you what a great content video can get you. And at the same time, thanks to the fact that it has reached so many people, our audience is getting very smart. You know, they know exactly what they're consuming, they know what they're getting into, so you can't ever be in a space ki kuch bhi dal de yaar inko kya samajh mein aa jayega. So I feel like for me it's always that, and like he said, inconsistency. When it comes to content, I think consistency is God. That is something that has helped me through a lot of lows. So if you're starting off, just as long as your videos are audible and visible, I think you're good if your content's great.
Right, both of you, more power to you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
you.
true social media stars.
Thank you.
Give it up
Thank you very
for
much.
Prajakta Kohli and Carrie Minati.
Thank you so much.